I'm Corey Bautista.
Henry Bautista.
And we did a kitchen remodel, a full kitchen remodel. Oh, our home is circa 1950s, and although it was updated a little bit before we actually moved here, it really needed a full-blown renovation. Yeah?
Yes, kitchen renovation.
Kitchen.
Biggest concern with hiring a contractor is that someone who understands our family values, where we come from, and our special needs.
I think it actually started out with the phone call I made to actually cancel my appointment with GoPro because we found a contractor that we had signed with, but Moran had, we had a good conversation, and he said to, just give me an opportunity, come and let's have a meeting, and then you can make your decision from there, because we had that 3-day waiting period. And sure enough, he came in and we had a conversation. He was able to put up a 3D plan right then and there, and really listen to what it was that we were looking for, and made our dream come true. So glad that I'm so glad that he had said that when I called to cancel, because otherwise we wouldn't have this beautiful kitchen.
How quick they started demo, and just
I think all of the people that came, they were really friendly and nice. We got to know them on a first name basis. They cleaned up because we actually lived here the entire time that the remodeling was going on. So, minor inconvenience, but they really made it as good as possible. So yeah, that was what stood out most for us. Absolutely.
Absolutely. 100%.
Yep. I think just the comfort level and the expertise, and Moran, giving us advice and input, the direction, whether a certain product actually matches or doesn't match. I really sought his input, and really appreciated when he provided some of that guidance, because as you can see, it worked out. For all of those reasons, that we started out with a kitchen remodel. It turned into a dining room remodel, and then a living room remodel. I got me a new office. New plumbing. We did. We installed a tankless water heater with a recirculating pump, which our friends were all jazzed about and thought that was the most amazing thing. We moved the air conditioning up into the attic, and which created more floor space for us for our living area.
And you got a new office out of it?
We got a new office, and we got a new doorway, entryway, which all took just about 2 months. So that's
quick.
Unbelievable. Oh, the last one was leveling out our home and raising our sliding glass door so that the entire house is all same level. So yeah, we asked for more and more as we got to know and expect level of service and the beauty, the quality of the work. We just kept adding more and more and more. So got another project going on pretty soon, and we're going to be asking around to come and take a look at that.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for the opportunity to work with you guys.
All right.
I enjoyed every moment of it, and I think you can see.